Napakaganda ng coach natin, pati yung nag-discuss ng healthy breakfast kanina, no? Nakita niyo nag-glow kami lahat dito. That's why we love Herbalife Nutrition. Sige po, so again, magandang buhay po sa ating lahat na nandito sa Zoom. No, so we have 43,000 people in the room at sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa FB Live. Lahat ng mga alaga namin, hindi ko na isa-isahin. Yung mga participants namin sa Project Healthier and Fit Citizens na nandito ngayon, magandang buhay sa inyo. Welcome to your day 2. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa FB Live mamaya bukas. Okay, sige po. So ako po si Coach Tin Reyes Herrera. Napakaganda ng topic natin. No? So I think everyone will agree na lahat po tayo ay may puso. Ayan, sige. Pwede ba kayo mag-heart react din sa screen ninyo? 'Di ba? May puso po ba kayo? Okay, sige po. So let me just proceed sa topic ko today, ha? So bago ako mag-start, kwento lang po. O, di ba nag-iba yung aking progress photo dito? Nakita ko kasi to eh, di ba? So, para makita po ninyo na hindi po ako buntis dyan, pero mukha po akong buntis, no? Ang hindi ko gusto, by the way, I'm 45 years old, turning 46 this year. At meron po akong 3 anak, di ba? Nabit ko ang Herbalife 10 years ago. Ako ay former full-time employee that time and part-time po ako na hair and makeup artist. No? Nagsimula lang po ako sa isang nutrition club program, yung diniscuss kanina ni Coach Che. Yun, nag-try lang po kami noon for 10 days sa isang nutrition club. No? Hindi ako bumili ng isang pack sa nutrition club kami na alagaan. And amazing yung naging results. Ang hindi ko kasi gusto dun sa lifestyle namin, no? Very unhealthy, very workaholic, mahilig po sa fast food, ganyan po. Nakakakapi po ako ng 7, 'di ba? 7, lalo na kapag may meeting kasi kailangan ko pong magising. No, I'm just so grateful na we gave it a shot, 'di ba? Kasi nga po sa Herbalife, nakita ko yung solution, no, na hey, pwede naman pala yun na you can also be healthier, 'di ba? While you are working and earning money. Yan yung isa ko, no, na realize, and at the same time, you can help, 'di ba? Yung mga ibang tao. Ang hindi ko din kasi gusto noon, no, ako ay may 3 anak, 'di ba? Yung pagiging present mom. Yun, 'di ba? Yung freedom of time, madalas wala. Yan yung hindi ko nagustuhan. And ang pinakamasaya talaga din dito sa journey na to is ano po, yung you help others, no? So you contribute to the lives of others. Iba yun eh. 'Di ba? Doon kasi sa dati kong work, reconnection ng mga telephone lines eh, 'di ba? Ganon. Eh dito hindi. Reconnection ng iyong nung iyong mga cells. Restoration. Pati yung pag-reconnect mo kay Lord kasama. Ang saya, 'di ba? Ayan po siya, no? Kaya naman sobra talagang love kong Herbalife. And by the way, ang narinig niyo na yan kanina yung mga favorite products namin, di ba? So ako po personally, yung Cell Complex, the Instant Glow Up, yan, the Fountain of Youth na yan, the Mineral Herbal Complex, yung anti-bilbil tablets po, no? So nakita niyo naman dyan sa picture ko. Ang total weight loss ko, 30 pounds. 8 inches sa akin, bewang. Diba? So, wala na po akong belt bag. Yan yung pinakamasaya. And of course, yung sa heart health natin, no? So, the Herbalife line, the Mega Garlic, and of course, yung Nightworks po. Yan. Yan ang mga paborito natin. Okay? And ano naman ang natin ngayon? Ang pag-uusapan natin. Diba? So, like what I said, yung journey na to, we're not just talking about losing weight, diba? Ang topic natin today is protecting our cardiovascular health. Okay? Kaya yun yung tanong ko. Sino dito may mga puso? Ayan, mag-heart react sa screen. Ayan po, sige. So, very interesting topic, no? Bakit po, di ba? Yung heart natin, di ba? Akala natin, ay, hindi, dito lang yan, di ba? Alam niyo po ba na yung heart is the organ that supplies blood, nutrients, and oxygen, di ba? To all parts of the body. Ayan, so baka naririnig yung mga namin. Sige po. Alright, so guys, ito i-share ko po. You can take a screenshot of this. Kasi pag ako gumagawa talaga presentation, may additional tayo ng mga information that I really gather. No? So this, nasa taas sa World Health po yan, no, organization. They posted that one. That was way back 20, ito po, nakalagay naman dyan. Cardiovascular diseases or diseases of the heart and blood vessels are responsible for 1/3 of death in the Philippines, no? CVDs are part, according po ito sa PSA, no? CVDs are part of the larger group of non-communicable diseases, LCDs, which account eto, 72% of death in the country noong 2021. So hindi ko na babalikan anong meron noong 2021, pero yan yung isa po, no, na responsible. Okay? And according din sa PSA, okay, ito yung data nila, no, ang top one na cause of death in the Philippines from January 2023 to August 2023, ito po, no, yung ischemic heart diseases. No? So, with 76,901 or 19.1% total deaths in the country. Diba? So, kumbaga, number one po talaga, ang sakit sa puso, sa cause of death. Okay. So, ano kailangan natin gawin? Of course, we need to protect our cardiovascular health. Kung makita nyo dyan, may nakalagay nitric oxide, but this morning, we are so blessed, diba? Because I'm not just going to talk about nitric oxide, no? So, pero for you to further understand, okay, let me just share this video first with you, ha? Ayan. So, wala pong kukurap. Manood po tayo. Kung ikaw ay magsi-CR, mamaya na. Okay? Sige po. So, let's watch this video.
We all know that healthy eating has many benefits, but sometimes even the healthiest diet can use a little extra help. For example, your circulatory system sends nutrients and oxygen through the blood to your organs. With proper nutrition throughout the day, most adults are producing the nitric oxide they need to support healthy circulatory functioning. Nitric oxide, also known as NO, is a gas molecule that can be produced by many types of cells in the human body. At night, however, nitric oxide production is low because we're not consuming the nutrients that help create it. Herbalife Nightwork supports cardiovascular health by promoting nitric oxide production while you sleep. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Nightworks contains amino acids L-arginine and L-citrulline that are used by your body to produce nitric oxide. This helps promote blood flow for the healthy function of heart, brain, and other organs. This in turn supports healthy blood pressure levels already within a normal range and helps keep blood vessels toned and flexible for healthy vascular function. Nightworks can be mixed with cold water, sparkling water, or juice once per day. Don't miss a beat in your healthy, active lifestyle with the help of Nightworks.
Ayan, sige po. So at least may idea po tayo sa discussion natin today. So usapang puso pa rin po tayo, ha. Ngayon, may isa-share po ako sa inyo para mas maintindihan natin. No? So, nabanggit naman dun sa video kanina na yung NO is nitric oxide po siya. No? Alright, so pero nakalagay din po dito, yung NO production inside the body is the key for youthful blood circulation. So yung mga facts natin dito, nagpo-produce po siya ng inner layer of the blood vessels, nire-relax po niya and wina-widen niya yung blood vessels for better circulation. 'Di ba? Yung NO din po, no, can easily be destroyed by free radicals, and as we age, okay, our body's production of NO decreases. Okay? And number 5, poor nutrition and unhealthy lifestyle can aggravate, 'di ba, the aging of the blood vessels. Ayan. So guys, kung makikita niyo dito sa left side ng screen, no, if you're facing it, 'di ba? Nasa taas yung young vessels, pag nag-age po tayo, nagiging ganyan po siya, no, may mga bump. Diba? Nakita nyo po yan, yung mga fat deposits yan. And of course, before stroke, ito din pinapakita din po siya. Alright, ngayon, how can we protect our cardiovascular health with the help of Herbalife Heart Support products? Okay, so let me share it with you. As we all know, diba, we need to have healthy fats. No, we are not discouraging, diba, yung pag-take ng fat. Okay? Kailangan po natin siya, and according to our doctors and scientists, we need up to 30%. However, we need the healthy fats, no? So, kasi di ba may omega-6, fatty acids, and may omega-3, actually, kailangan din daw balance po yan, no? So, ito po, healthy fats from food and supplements. Ayan po. Now, the great news is, of course, with Herbalife, I know sa food, madami na tayong idea, but with Herbalife, no, you can boost your omega-3 through this Herbalife line. It's one of the heart support products, diba? This is rich in both EPA and DHA, diba? Two important components po yan ng omega-3. Alright? And this is very important, yung omega-3 essential fatty acids natin. This is an important constituent found in each cell of your body. Okay? Tapos, ito po yan, nabanggit ko na to kanina, no? Contains omega-3, consisting EPA and DHA po siya. Ayan. So, you can take this one, ano po, no? 3 po na soft gel per day. Ayan po. Now, we also have the Mega Garlic Plus. Okay? So, ito yung hindi mo na kailangan kumain ng bawang. 'Di ba? Ang maganda po sa Mega Garlic natin is meron din po siyang vitamin C. No? So, unleash the potent benefits of garlic paired with the immune-boosting power of vitamin C. So, guys, you can take a picture of this one na lang. Ha? So, again, this one is for the heart support and it contains garlic and vitamin C. Okay. Now, let me proceed. Yung superstar po natin. No? So, eto po siya. Yung Nightworks po. Pagdating sa heart health, eto naman ang talagang superstar natin. No? So, embrace life's rhythm, nurture your heart, no, with Nightworks. Bakit, Coach, bakit yan superstar? Okay. You know what, guys? Ano to? This is a revolutionary dietary supplement. Okay? That contains a unique blend of L-arginine and L-citrulline with other blend of antioxidants, no, that help support production of nitric oxide in the body. So nakasum up na po dyan sa may right side, no, kung ano yung component nito. Okay? Ayan po siya. And for us to further understand, you can also take a picture of this. Paano ba nag-work yan, di ba? So pinakita ko kanina sa inyo yung itsura, no, yung sa blood vessel natin. Kapag young pa po, pag nag-age na po, at kapag bago mangyari yung stroke. Okay? So, pinakita ko po siya sa inyo kanina. So, dito, sabi din, di ba, yung mga heart support products natin, nakakatulong po siya to reduce cholesterol level and makes the blood flow itself smooth. Okay? Para dire-diretso nga po, no? And napansin nyo kanina, di ba, dun sa video, hindi lang siya iniinom sa gabi, iniinom din po siya bago kayo mag-workout. Bakit ganun, Coach? Because before working out, ang bilis ng blood flow natin, di ba? So kung may mga bump dyan sa inyong mga blood vessel, hindi po, anong tawag dito, hindi relax, no? Hindi relax yung blood vessel mo, hindi siya nawa-widen, di ba? Stroke could happen. Alright? So, yun po siya. Ngayon, nakalagay din dito sa right side natin, si Nightworks nga po, nakakatulong siya to make the blood vessel relax and widen. Okay? So that it does not slow down the blood flow or circulation. So, these guys, itong dalawang to kayo magkasama yan, they work synergistically for optimum heart health. Parang kagaya ng aloe tea shake natin, di ba? So, yan po yan, no? Yung tatlong pinakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Ngayon, watch lang po natin itong video na to.
There are many things that you can do during the day in order to care for your heart health, like having a balanced diet, doing physical activity, and avoiding smoking and excess alcohol intake. Herbalife Nutrition has developed Nightworks, a supplement composed of a combination of the amino acids L-arginine and L-citrulline and vitamins. Both nutrients L-arginine and L-citrulline contribute to nitric oxide production. Research indicates that nitric oxide levels in our bodies are lowest at night. Low levels of nitric oxide in our bodies may lead to tissue damage as a result of age, diabetes, and high blood pressure. In addition, Nightworks has high contents of vitamins C and E that contribute to the protection of cells from oxidative stress. Moreover, vitamin C helps with collagen formation. Nightworks is also high in folic acid, which supports the normal physiological functions and assists in the reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.
Ayan. Sige. So for those sa mga first-timer natin dito, you get in touch with your coach, no? But I just have some few keynotes here, no? Yung mga ano ko dito, no? So sabi din dito, healthy eating, getting yung body natin moving. Okay, keeps a strong heart beating. Ayan po So baka mamaya nagna-Nightworks po kayo, nagte-take na yung mga supplementation natin, no? Pero very unhealthy pa rin yung mga kinakain natin, no? So it doesn't work that way. Okay? So kailangan po talaga mag-start tayo ng healthy eating. At syempre kailangan din talaga tayong gumagalaw-galaw. Okay? Yun po siya. And eto guys, no? So pwede ko bang pwede ba kayong mag-chat dyan sa ating chat box, di ba? Why do you wake up every single day? Why do you work every single day? Di ba? So, especially sa mga nanay, sa mga tatay, no, all the breadwinners of the family, no, sabi din dito, if you want to be responsible towards your family, be responsible towards your heart. Okay? So, ulitin ko if you want to be responsible towards your family, be responsible towards your heart. So, do your part, care for your heart, do what it takes to start to have a healthy heart. Okay? So with that being said, I'm done with my topic. No? So kung may kakilala po kayo na pwede nyo ma-share nito, please invite them to our wellness learning community. Okay? Or ask po kayo ng video copy itong ating discussion today. Alright? So thank you so much for your time. Back to you, Coach Chow!
Wow,